Hi guys, it's Rachel here. I nearly forgot to do this. It's just a quick Etsy update. I'd been asked by quite a few people to put these kits in my shop, so I've done it. So the first one is this one. It's the coffee dyed papers that I have changed the colours. And these are coffee dyed papers that I didn't have in my shop previously. So I've done a variety of colours over several designs. Now they're not all here, I don't think, because I might have used some for the kids' journals, or did I reprint? Is this a reprint? No, this is a reprint. Might be all of them. So there's 18 pages in the kit. So that's like a pinky tea colour, sort of like avocado dyed colour. We've got a aqua sort of blue, green, a more icy sort of blue, a purpley blue. They're just printed on regular copy paper. Another turquoise. Again, this is a different pattern. A more of a grey blue. And then these were the pinky ones here. On these ones. I'll just move those aside. And yes, I did them just in a variety of colours. There's greens. Again, the sort of more avocado colour, lilac. There was no method to the madness. I had just done them in different sort of shades. That's more of a pinky colour, blue and blues. I think there might be some missing, but there are 18, and you can see all of the colours in the photographs in the listing. And then I have, these were the ones that I had used, that Steffi had done for me. That I used for those big kits that I had printed on canvas. A lot of people had asked me for that. So there's 2 kits, 12 pages in each kit, because we've done a lot of them. So this is kit 1. So I'll just flick over that. And again, they're just printed on regular copy paper. I'm sorry about the lighting, but it's dark now. There's this one. So I tried to sort of evenly, make them sort of equally as nice, each one, not all of the bests, if you know what I mean. Like, there's always a favorite. So they're really gorgeous, these, and these would be lovely printed. Well, they were lovely on canvas. They'd be lovely printed on fabric. They'd be lovely printed even on sort of parchment paper or the linen paper. And I haven't had a chance to play with them really. So that's kit 1, to try out all those things, but I'm looking forward to doing that. And then this is kit 2. So this was a fabric. I think there was only one fabric. Oh, that's a fabric as well. It's beautiful. That's a fabric. And then these are all papers. So hopefully you can see them all. And there's 12, as I said, in each kit. So really, really gorgeous. So there you go. So that is a very quick video to show you those new digis that I've got in my shop. See how well they all coordinate into each other. And these are lovely to print on the reverse side of journal pages for writing. And, they're archival because they're not tea dyed. It's not the actual tea dyed ones. So there you have it. I'll take those off. So thank you for watching, and I hope everybody is well, and I'm going to go and get back to my busyness. I've got to go and cook dinner, so I'll see you soon. Bye.